Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Hugs World, and yes, it is the weekend, TGIF. And listen people, I got one of the coldest watch faces you want to play over the weekend. Now I had to bring you one more. Yes, we got Broda back in the building again. And if you're looking for a unique, off the chain, off the chart watch face for the weekend, here it is, people. Here it is. This is the one you want to download. It is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, so go download ASAP. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's review this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called Broda Outbreak. It's a very nice looking analog watch face. Feature pack. You can change the themes to so many different themes. It's not even funny, but let's take a look at it. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the slickest look for the Gear S3 and the Gear S2, along with the Galaxy Watch and the Gear Sport. And the Gear S2 is going to look slightly different than that of the Gear S3, but it also looks super awesome in the AOD mode. But when the watch face is on, here's where looking good starts to shine. Now, up at the top, you're going to get your battery info, get a nice digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds, because this is the analog watch face. You get your moon phases over here on the side, which is super slick. You got a needle pointing to what type of moon we're going to have for the night. And also you get your day. You also get your date. You come down to the bottom, you will get your step info, floors climb, and your heart rate info. You come over here. Now, that may seem like some type of meter that will give you information maybe on your step goal completed, but no. Keep your eye on it. You'll see it ticking away. It is your second hand, people. Beautiful. So I like the color. Orange really stands out with this black background, and it is nice, and the watch face is interactive. So if I tap here, I can get my weather. I tap here, I can get my calendar, set an event. Tap here, step info, calories burned, heart rate information right here. So it gives you everything to make life a little bit more convenient when you're on the go. And if I tap on the date, on the time, I'm going to be able to set an alarm. Now here's the fun part of it all, and this is the customization of the watch face. And you know Broda, he brings it, and he brings it good. Check it out. Tap on Broda, the name of the watch face, and you can cycle through many different themes that this watch face has to offer. I like that look. Don't know what day I would play it on, but it's definitely a good look. Let's check this one out. That's not bad. That's nice. This one, very unique. Just keep tapping. And I'm telling you, Broda outdid himself with this one. Now, I've been missing out on Broda for a while. We're going to keep up with him from now on. Okay, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on it. Let me know if you're going to go download this watch face, or if you're going to leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's it for the video. I hope you have a great weekend. Party like it's 1999. But remember, most of all, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.